Okay, a literal equation. Weird is an equation with two or more variables. So right now, we've been solving for a variable. We are still solving for a variable, but now our equation might have some other variables in there.
Isn't there supposed to be variables?
Yes, Grady, I made a mistake. Thank you for pointing it out. Okay, now more specifically, a formula is a type of literal equation okay that shows how one variable is related to another. When I say the word formula, does anybody think of a particular formula? Huh, Grady. That's not a formula.
What? A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
That's a formula. What's another formula? Like area equals length times width. How's that going for you over there? No, Jason, Lane are trying to think of, what are you trying to think of? The pi digits? Yes. No, I didn't ask for them.
Pi is
We will celebrate Pi Day on 3/14.
Yo, we get pie. I love pie, bro. I had shepherd's pie the other night with like the actual pie crust, and I just ate it.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Yes.
Okay.
I had a little bit of an inside.
Can you please glance over to the next page? Okay. In this equation, I want to solve for y. So you know what I'm going to do? I am going to highlight y. I want y by itself. And we're going to solve it just like we would anything else. How is the 2x connected to the y?
They're both variables.
By a minus sign. And how do we undo a minus sign? Okay. So if we add 2x to both sides, these cancel, and we have y equals 15 plus 2x.
Wait, so is that just like?
That's where we stop. That's our answer. That's our answer.
Wait, didn't we do this in 6th grade?
Here's the deal. You are not getting like a number for an answer. Okay? All we're doing is rearranging the equation. That's it. Okay. So if we look at number 2, if I want y by itself, what do I do with the 4x to move it over? Okay, so here we would have to subtract 4x to both sides, and this is where we need to be careful. Are 2 and 4x like terms?
No.
No. Do they both have an
They're
x?
not. No.
So 2 minus 4x has to remain as 2 minus 4x. People. People. All right. Let's look at this one. You got to make a pass.
Did they check the camera?
Here is why. Okay. How many steps of balancing the equation are we going to have to do? We're going to have to do 2. If I want y to be by itself, here's what I have on the right side. What needs to move first? The 8 is furthest away from y, so it needs to go first. Okay? The 5 is the closest to y. Excuse me. So it needs to go last. So how do we undo the 8? Okay, so we're going to minus 8 to both sides. Now, what am I going to combine minus 8 with? The 5x or the minus 2? Okay, good. So we have 5x minus 10 equals 5y. Now, if I want y by itself, how am I going to undo the 5? Okay. Divide it, divide it, divide it, divide it, divide it. Okay. Okay. Now, there may be times where we can't actually do the division, but do you see how 5x minus 10, both of those can be divided by 5?
Yeah.
What is 5x divided by 5?
1x.
1x minus 10 divided by 5. Okay. All right, I am going to give you a 30-second head start on number 5.
I believe it. What do we have to do?
Solve for y.
Yeah, actually, quick. I don't know.
Speaking like hair. Stop.
Someone I said you a pass.
Okay.
Actually, why do you keep my chair?
Sure, she'll explain.
See? Just don't be obnoxious. Seriously, it's not that hard.
It's all me.
Okay. Bennett, what did you do first?
I put the 3x on the other side.
How? Yeah.
Subtracted it.
Okay, Bennett subtracted 3x because 3x minus 3x cancels out. So now you have negative y equals negative 4 minus 3x, right? Because that minus didn't go anywhere.
Wait, is that just the equation then?
Is it y by itself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, but the negative sign.
That's like a negative 1 being multiplied. Did you send it?
Oh, crap.
So we can, I heard somebody divide by negative 1.
Wait, wouldn't that just be... Yeah.
It's not stupid.
Wait, do you not have negative
All right. We're gonna look at number 8. And it says solve the literal equation for x. Bro. I'm a little nervous because there's 2 different x's.
So it's just 2x.
Why is there 3
No. Okay. Hey. Okay. So thank you, whoever pointed that out. Was that you, Lucy? Lucy pointed out that this is 3x, but this is 9xz. So we cannot combine like terms because they're not like terms. But do you see how they both have an x?
Yeah.
So what if we did this? What if we did reverse distribution? If we pulled out an x for like a distribute problem, what would I put right here? Okay. And plus, what would I put right here? That is a Q. What do you think it is? That's a Q. That is a Q.
Oh, wait. Oh, I wrote it.
Does that look better?
Yes.
It looks fine. Thank you. All right. So now I have x outside the parentheses of 3 plus 9z. What operation is in between x and... So if I want to get x by itself...
Divide.
Okay. So we're going to divide both sides by 3 plus 9z. Okay, I find it weird that actually you're not even like facing this
I
way.
think it's stacked.
Okay, since x was being multiplied to this chunk of stuff, I divided that chunk of stuff over to the other side. Lily Anna, didn't you have a question about this?
Did I?
I thought you were asking me, what did I do? No, that was not you?
Was it me?
I'm asking you.
When?
Ryan.
When did I ask that?
What did I do?
When I was writing this, I thought it was you that was panicking. Was it not? You were not panicking?
No, I was not me.
Amazing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's talk about when we have a formula. Namaste. Okay. We're going to be fine. Here is a formula, the area of a triangle. And I want you to solve for B. Okay. Well, there's a 1/2 times B times H. So what could I do so that there's not a 1/2 next to the B? By what?
1/2. 2.
Okay, so Lena, what did you say? 2. Yes. We are going to multiply both sides by 2 because what happens to 1/2 times 2? Those cancel.
Wait.
What page are we on?
26 times 2.
So now we have 2A equals BH. Again, we're trying to get B by itself.
Divide by H.
Okay. So we need to divide.
Yes. That's the equation.
You just set it upside down. Okay?